All right, the Keystone Bullet Ultralight 331 BHS. Let's see if I can get through this whole thing without messing up, because I'll tell you, there's a lot to talk about on this. It's 37 feet long, but it's only 7,000 pounds, so just about every half ton can pull it. It is a really sweet camper. I mean, look, it's got a fiberglass front cap. That's different than just having fiberglass up there. It's a molded cap that goes on. It's much more solid, thicker. Okay, so we got electric tongue jack and electric stabilizer jacks underneath there. We're gonna give you 2 filled propane tanks, brand new battery up in the front. You have a battery kill switch right there. This camper comes equipped with the 200 Solar Flex solar on the roof, and there's also a hookup if you wanted to add more solar. Has a pass-through storage right there. We're going to look on the other side. 2 slides. So let's swing around here. It comes with 1-year standard warranty and then a 3-year structural warranty. So here's the huge pass-through storage. And while I'm opening up this, I want to show you the clip for it. They don't go cheap on the clips. These are nice clips. They're not just magnets. They actually snap in, and to get it off, you clip it open like that. This huge storage area right there. You can see it's an all aluminum frame. Let's swing around to this side and we're going to take a look at the aluminum rims. 6-gallon DSI water heater. You have outside speakers and just a huge awning, the biggest you're going to find on the market. Back here we have the outside kitchen. I'm going to pop that open, use that same thing to hold it up. So right in here you have your stove, fridge, some storage space. There's the other jacks in the back. Spare tire right there, ladder to go up to the roof. It's backup camera ready, so you can add a backup camera. All LED lights out here. It has one of the biggest furnaces, so if you need some heat, 30,000 BTU furnace. Well, let's go take a look at the inside. So right when you walk in, you have a nice big storage area right here. So storage down below with shelves, and storage above with removable shelves. So you can set these anywhere you want in here or leave them out and for hanging storage. I mean, that costs more money, but you know what? Completely worth it, because then you could set up the storage how you want it. Even the hinges, they got really good $5 hinges, not those cheap 29-cent Menards hinges. Menards sells the other ones too, but you know what I mean. So walking in, we'll get to the bunk room in a minute. Scoobing to the right here. Storage below, comes with the TV. There's your radio. Storage above. 15,000 BTU air conditioner upgrade, and this is wired for a second air conditioner in the bunk room if you wish to add it, so you got 50 amp service. Gas electric 8 cubic foot refrigerator, stainless steel microwave. There's your oven, dual oven lights, huge stainless steel farm style sink with a high-rise faucet, cool subway tile backsplash. Easy to wipe off when you get that spaghetti sauce sprayed up there. They even give you a little extra counter that flips up right there. Drawers down below, so storage everywhere. We're gonna keep moving to the right. We're gonna go into the bathroom here. Now this is a walk-through bathroom. Okay, right there you have a porcelain toilet. If you've ever used a camper, you'll know how important porcelain is. Huge stand-up shower, skylight there, medicine cabinet, sink with more storage. Moving through the bathroom into the bedroom, tons of storage in there. Queen walk-around bed, even have a little laundry chute right there. And there's the other door that goes out into the hallway, and a nice big spot there for your TV. I think I'm doing okay so far. Storage underneath. Now this table is really easy to make into a bed. You can see just there's a lever you flip and then push the table down, makes into a bed. We got this puppy marked down. It is a carryover, $43,997, and that's with Ollie's no wool pricing. which means you're not going to pay extra for battery and propane and freight and prep and all that stuff. Huge. Look at all that window space. I mean, you could really see the lake nicely from there. So really deep slide. Right here you have, this will make into a bed. Actually, I'm going to do that for you right after I tell you about the floor. So you got the flooring, vinyl flooring right there. It's a really nice look. And then this is what they use in pontoons. So instead of carpet, they got this flooring. It's really thick. It's cleanable. You could mop it. So you got cup holders and then storage under there so you don't lose your remotes and such. Okay, let me turn this into a bed real quick for you. There it is, and that literally took me 20 seconds to do. Let's see if I can put it away with one hand to show you how it works. So this flips up, and then you take this part and you flip this whole thing up, and you just have to fold these legs in. One side, switch hands, other side, and boom, it just drops down into place. And then you put your cushions back. Moving on to the bunk room. Oh, look at that. You can see it's got heated or ducted heat. Even more hanging spots. Your thermostat. If you want to pause it right there, you can look at all that stuff. Moving into the bunk room. This flips up out of the way. When somebody's sitting here watching TV, you got a spot for a TV there. And there's the other two bunks. Storage for the kiddos there. And there you have it. Look at that. 2 working windows. Not just windows, but they're working windows. So USB ports for the kids too. And you could see from here it's a rounded ceiling too, which is really nice. And in the bunk room, this is where you have your setup for your second air conditioner. All right, back at it. I know this is a long video, but I'm just about done. I wanted to tell you about the ducted air conditioning. So even if you don't add a second AC in here, you have ducts that run in here so you can cool off the kiddos. So there you have it. The Bullet 331 BHS. And there is all the options it comes with. Retail price. That's where we have it. What a deal. Come on in and check it out. We'll get you hooked up. Thank you.